Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. Okay, in this video we will talk about a must-know skill for every trader, especially those who are fans of TradingView. Okay, basically we're just gonna be looking at how to place stop loss and take profit on TradingView. If you're not using stop loss and take profit, then you are trading with unnecessary risk, and I wouldn't advise you to do that. Okay, so basically SL and TP help you protect your capital, automate your trade exits, and keep your emotions in check. So whether you are trading Forex, stocks, or crypto, knowing how to set these levels correctly can make a huge difference in your trading experience. Before we dive in, smash that like button to support the channel and subscribe if you want more TradingView tutorials and expert trading tips. Now let us get started. Before we jump into TradingView, let us quickly go over why stop loss and take profit are so important. As for stop loss, it automatically closes your trade when the price moves against you, preventing unnecessary losses. So it is essential for risk management and making sure one bad trade does not wipe out your account. As for take profit, it closes your trade when the price has hit a predefined target. It locks in your gains without you having to manually monitor the trade. Okay? Without stop loss and take profits, you are either leaving your trade completely exposed to the market or relying on emotions to decide when to exit. And trust me, that is not a good strategy. Now, let us go over how to set them up on TradingView. Okay, let us get into the practical steps. So just follow along with your TradingView chart and you'll have stop loss and take profits set up in no time. The first step is to open your trading panel. All right. You open TradingView and go to the assets you're trading. This is the USD currency pair. You can choose whatever currency pair that you wish. Make sure that you are logged into your broker if you want to place live trades. Okay. Then let's go to trading panel. Let's just use paper trading for the purpose of this video. All right. Okay. And let me just switch to this. All right. So you can click on buy or sell depending on your trade direction. But remember that the purpose of this video is looking at how to set your stop loss and take profit, right? So well, I'm just gonna open a random trade. Okay, let's just see. All right, let's just go with a sell. Here we have the okay. You can see that a trade setup window has appeared after clicking the sell button, whether it's a sell or a buy. You can see that this window has appeared, and you will see options for stop loss and take profit. Okay, this is where you enter your levels. So let's just see, since it's a sell, let's see, maybe a take profit is of about 1.43. Okay, 1.432. Okay, Oh, let's see if I want it to be a quick one. Let's just say 1.433. Yeah, 1.433 can go. And then for stop loss, perhaps just above the nearest swing high, 443 or 444. Right now, once you have done your analysis, and of course, you determine how many units, basically the lot size that you're using, and then here we go. Right, so we have entered the trade and we have set stop loss and take profit on TradingView. Okay, it's as easy as that. Super easy. All right, if you want to adjust your stop loss and take profit, you can enter your stop loss below your entry price for a buy trade or above for a sell trade. Okay, let us just if you want to modify, you can see, you can just right click. Can you see that? You right click on this, you click on protect position. Once you have done that, perhaps you want to change the direction of your, or rather the location of your stop loss, the price point. Perhaps you want to change the price point for your stop loss and take profit. You can just right click and then you come here, you adjust it to the new values that you want. After adjusting to the new values that you want, and click on modify. All right, and there you go. So it's super easy. All right, now sometimes after you enter a trade, you might want to you know execute another trade, or maybe um depending on your strategy, of course, you must have done your analysis, and then you execute your trade, you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and then you let your trade run. All right, so basically the purpose of this video has been achieved. It is super easy to set stop loss and take profit on TradingView. Okay, it is. And mind you, SL and TP. SL stands for stop loss, TP stands for take profit. SL and TP are super useful if you want to be a successful trader. Okay, they are important. All right. Um, Now, before you start placing stop loss and take profit levels randomly, here are a few key tips to make sure you are using them correctly. Okay, ensure that you use technical levels. For example, you can see, if you can remember, when I wanted to set my stop loss, I said something like above the swing high, something like that. So ensure you use technical levels, and then you can see that I targeted my take profits for this particular low, right? This particular support, and I ensured that I had a good risk to reward ratio. At least it's almost 1:2. You can see risking $2.63 to potentially make about $5, right? So ensure that you set your stop loss near support and resistance levels, trend lines, or key price zones. Random placements do not work, okay? And then you aim for at least 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, meaning if you risk about 50 pips, or maybe if you're risking like $2, you should be potentially aiming for $4. Maybe if it is $2, you risk, your potential profit should be about $4. If you risk 50 pips, your potential profit should be about 100 pips. All right, then do not move your stop loss emotionally. Okay, stick to your plan. Adjusting your stop loss constantly because of fear will hurt your trading discipline, and ensure you use the trailing stop. Okay, if you want to lock in gains as price moves, consider using TradingView's trailing stop feature to follow the trend. All right, now you know exactly how to place stop loss and take profit in TradingView. Adjust them and use them correctly in your trades. Some key takeaways for you: stop loss protects your account from major drawdowns. Take profit automates your exit at a profitable level. And TradingView makes it easy to set, adjust, and manage SL and TP directly on your chart. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you use stop loss and take profit on every trade? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more TradingView tutorials and expert trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.